In this video, let's discuss about Microsoft Forms. Microsoft introduced its forms so that the users can use it for any kind of surveys or any kind of event form requests like that. So if you want to access forms, just go to the left hand side and you can see here apps, all apps. Just click all apps and you can see Microsoft Forms here, or else in the URL you can type like forms.office.com. so this is the look and feel of the forms, and you can see here two options, like you can create new form, new quiz, like that. I will show you now already forms which I have created. Okay, so I created this form, knowledge share. So you can see here you can add an image here, you can add some content, and you can add some kind of subtitle also, and main heading, image, subtitle, and you can add questions one by one here. And when you click add new, you can see the options here like choice, text, rating, date, all these things. And here you can see ratings. So this is a very nice service giving by Microsoft to us. And we can also change themes here. So we can change themes, and we can have preview also of the form, whatever we created the form. We can see the preview in computer and in the mobile format too. So, and also we can share this form to anybody who are in our organization or who are not in our organization. Also we can share this, selecting anyone with the link can respond. You can copy the link and you can share this link, and the QR code is also available here, and embed code, and also we can email to the people who we need, they wants to access this. And we can create a duplicate link also, like a template, and we can also collaborate with other person or with other teammate who wants to suggest few things, just like Microsoft Word, how we can collaborate with each other. There we can also collaborate here with the person who is having the Office 365 account. Okay, and also on the right extreme you can see three dots. There you can see branching. Branching means nothing, just after the question it will ask to which question you want to go. You want to jump to another question, or you want to go to the end of the form. This branching is the main purpose of the branching, is that one. Okay, next we can check some settings, anyone can link, anyone with the link can respond, and options for responses. And we can also accept responses, we can stop responses here. And here you can also give particular date and time kind of thing, so that this form will work in that period only, in that particular specific time only. So these are mainly useful in creating some kind of exams. We can also create exams using Microsoft Forms by giving start date and options, so that the students will access those forms at the specific time, and they will end the exam by that in 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, we can also shuffle questions randomly, and also we can customize the thank you message here. You can write whatever text you want. So you can also get, on each response you can also get notification to your email if you take this. Okay, these are the new options given by Microsoft recently. And coming to the next one, bilingual. We can change the primary language, and we can also add additional language. If you want to add any other additional language, you can add here. See, I'm adding Telugu here, it's coming. So you can add additional language and make use of these forms. And mainly I suggest these forms to use for any kind of event registrations, or to collect any feedback, or if you have any kind of small tests. I have created a mini exam for the 70-535 exam, Microsoft exam, you can see here. And this is how I created, like you can have question kind of thing like this here. You can also give points also like this, and the responses also you can see here. I got 46 responses here, and the score, everything. And also we can export this same thing to Excel also. It will export all the data into the Excel, and we can download that. And also you can review answers, post scores. You can see a nice like a chart, what are the answers given, major answers given by the people. It's very nice. And recently they introduced quiz also here. You can see quiz, just click the quiz option here, and you can see it's same like Microsoft Forms only, but they have given option to upload some file, and some sections we can create. It's same. And also there this like it option, it's like taking opinion from five statements. You can use this like that. Okay, so if I click new, I click file upload, we can upload some kind of file, or a new folder will be created in our OneDrive. Responders will be able to upload their files into this folder. So sometimes while taking quiz, or sometimes while taking registration, we will ask their photos or any kind of proofs. So they can use this option, and they can upload these files and proofs, and the registration form itself. Okay, so this is how we can make use of Microsoft Forms. And you can share this with others, and whatever shared with you, you can see in this tab, group forms. If any group forms you have, you can see here, which is linked to our SharePoint group. Here you can see Office 365 groups. These all are Office 365 groups. Okay, so you can search bar is here, you can search here, and it's improving. Microsoft Forms also is improving, and we expect more from this in the coming days. Thank you very much for watching this video.